Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Stripe, making it easier for your customers to pay. We'll cover everything from preparing your accounts to activating the integration within your Stripe dashboard. By the end, you'll understand the simple steps to offer PayPal as a payment method, potentially boosting your sales and providing more flexibility for your customers. Let's get started with the essential preparations. Before we dive into the technical steps, it's crucial to prepare your accounts. First, you'll need a fully verified PayPal business account. If you only have a personal account, you can easily upgrade it. It's important to note that Stripe's direct integration for PayPal is currently available for businesses based in Europe, the United Kingdom, and Switzerland. If your business is outside these regions, you might need to explore other integration options or connect PayPal directly through your e-commerce platform. Now, let's activate PayPal within your Stripe account. Begin by logging into your Stripe dashboard. From there, go to the payment method settings. Scroll down until you find the Wallet section and you'll see PayPal listed. Click the Turn On button next to PayPal. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to select how you'd like your PayPal revenue to be settled, with the option to transfer funds directly to your Stripe balance being highly recommended. After selecting your settlement preference, you'll be securely redirected to PayPal to log in and authorize the connection with Stripe. Review the permissions and confirm the link. Once completed, you'll return to your Stripe dashboard, where you can confirm that PayPal is now an active payment method. This integration allows your customers to pay using their PayPal account, offering a familiar and trusted checkout experience. Studies show offering PayPal can increase sales by up to 6.1%, enhancing customer convenience and potentially boosting your revenue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.